traveling with kids is I wake them up early. I take like the first flight out. The reason why I do that is A, we're going somewhere that has a time change.
Right.
So I want to get my kids on that time change as quickly as possible.
I like it.
Do you have a key tip that you try and follow?
I'm opposite because all of my flights generally are evening flights. I guess number one tip for me is to bring pajamas.
Yeah.
You're like, travel to pajamas. I'm like, bring the pajamas. Because mine are not good sleepers when there's a lot of things going on. So usually on a plane, it's quite hard to get them to sleep. It just kind of gets them, their mind frame into a better kind of thing for sleeping.
Tip number 2, bring antibacterial wipes and wipe everything down.
Arms, the
screen, the tray table, the remote, everything. I wipe it down. I wipe down the window. And the reason why I do this is because every time I travel, they always get sick, and I hate sick kids on vacation. So I
wipe down too.
Yeah.
And I feel bad for people around me that are like, what the? Really? She needs to relax. I'm like, really? You need 2 kids.
Tip number 3, snacks.
I'm so hungry. When's the lady
gonna come?
Snack?
Okay. Snacks cure everything, I think.
Everything.
It's like, oh, I don't feel that my ears hurt. Would you like a snack?
Yeah.
Snacks cure all. So tip number 4, bring a backpack. Backpack is key. So tip number 5, bring something that you can carry your crap in. This is the wagon that I use. So it collapses, and I gate check it. Like a stroller.
Oh, okay. So now that the kids are a bit older, I made a big thing about them having a wheelie, and they love their suitcase wheelie.
Yeah.
So now, I mean, like, it's a game changer for me. They absolutely love it, and then it means I can just pile on more stuff.
Tip number 6 is don't bring more than you can carry. That is too much stuff for one person. Don't count on your kids to carry their own stuff. I never count.
Without a doubt.
Yeah. Okay, so tip number 7, bring some sort of entertainment for them on the plane, and do not count on planes having any kind of entertainment for them, because you'll always end up with the seat that the TV doesn't work.
And make sure everything is downloaded so you don't need Wi-Fi.
The other thing I bring, crayons and coloring.
Oh yeah.
Like, that's kind of just a no-brainer.
But stuff that you don't mind if it rolls away, you never see it again.
Tip number 9, bring some Tylenol for your children in case they feel bad.
Yeah, always do that.
The last tip that I would say is, do what is best for your kids. Like, if your kids don't sleep on planes or like in the car or something like that, don't book a red-eye flight.
Yeah, or just don't expect them to sleep.
Yeah.
I think to have 0 expectations and it'll go great.